Ever need your simulation to be a real mesh for whatever reason? Probably to be able to use it on another platform and to be able to have more control over the stylization. Hi, I'm from Citron, and today we're going to go over how to use this add-on which allows you to bake as a mesh any volumetric animations. First, you're going to make sure you have the add-on installed. After downloading it from the Gumroad page, click on Preferences, Install Add-on, and navigate to where you have downloaded it locally. Select and click Install from disk. And you will see that it will be already installed. To make sure that it's actually installed, you can click the End button and see that you have the end panel where it says Volume Bake. Next, you need to make sure you have a VBD or volumetric within your scene, and from there you need to add the mesh, which you will apply the modifier Volume to Mesh. So first you're going to add an icosphere. I set the subdivision lower to 1 and made the size about 1/4 of a meter, and then add the modifier Generate Volume to Mesh. And then select your VDB, and then you're probably going to wish to lower the resolution. So under resolution mode, you're probably going to want to select voxel size, can leave the size as is, and lower our threshold. And adaptability can be left as is. Then you can hide the original volume and look on the timeline to see how does our mesh look. Looks okay. You also have the option of adding any other modifier. And just for this demonstration, I'm going to add the decimate modifier. Can set it to 0.25. And you can see how that looks fine. Now you can go back and check your original VDB and see that it goes from frame 1 to 200. And you should also give your icosphere a new name. I'm going to call it Fire. And you're now ready to bake. Click the End button again and click on the Volume Bake button. The volume goes up to frame 200, but for the demonstration I will set it to 12 to save time. And remember that we added the decimate modifier, which can also be applied at this time. So you can select Apply All Modifiers and click OK. And as you can see, it updated live and created a new collection with the same name that you set for the icosphere, and created a new mesh for each frame. I can hide the original. So you see it worked just as expected.